We see Tony Robbins, Gary Vee, Jay Shetty, they're all doing it. And even a former client of mine is still currently generating over 100,000 of views from one clip using this same strategy. What am I talking about? I am talking about video series. This is when you capture people's attention using a 30 seconds to 30 minutes video clip and you release them in a group or randomly online. It's short and snappy and it has your branding on it. It has high catching headlines. It's perfect for all those social media profiles. And people tend to love them because they can be fun, entertaining, and educational. And it doesn't take them too much time to watch. So, this is for sure the best thing that you could be doing on the current digital landscape where our attention span is that of a fish. If you want to get more engagement, more followers, more leads, and bring more fun into your business, this is for sure a strategy you should be using.